Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add an admin to Instagram. First of all, open Instagram, select settings, then account type, then switch to professional account. After that, set up a Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook page for your business yet, you can create a new one. Now set up a BM account. Go to settings from Facebook, then accounts, then page, then add an existing page. Connect the Facebook page and Instagram account. From Facebook, switch your account to the Facebook page. Click on the profile picture on the upper right corner. Then select settings and privacy, then linked account from permissions section, then connect account. From your Instagram app, go to your profile and select edit profile page or create a Facebook page, continue and log into Facebook. Now add the Instagram account to the BM account. You can check it in Business Manager or Meta Business Suite by opening Business Settings, then Accounts, then Instagram Accounts. You should see your Instagram account here, but if you don't, it's not a problem. Now add an admin to your Instagram account. Open Business Settings, then Account, then Accounts, then Instagram Accounts, assign people or add people, enter the email address and select permissions as admin assign. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.